Well, hello folks, I'm Daniel Nobry. And for this video I chose Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area, 15 miles west from the Las Vegas Strip, west side of Las Vegas. Of course, if you drive Charleston Boulevard heading west, all the way through it, you're gonna hit the park. The park is beautiful, is amazing. To get in, you pay $15 and they give you a driving map. And that's pretty much what you're gonna do here, is the driving tour. You can spend more time in there in case you want to, but I was not prepared to stay any longer. So I decided to do the driving tour and make this video for you guys just to get one idea, if you haven't visited yet, what it's all about. And it's amazing, it's great. I hope you like this video. Let's hit the road. I usually like to start stopping at the visitor center before heading to the park, because in case there's any information that I'm missing, a ranger could give me. In this case, during the pandemic, the visitor center was closed. So we just got the map at the entrance and basically we gotta go for the tour ourselves. And of course, we are making stops throughout the route. And what a drive tour it is. It's just gorgeous, beautiful, peaceful, and you don't feel like you're that close to Las Vegas at all. And just to let you know, 3 million visitors a year. These are the numbers that this park receives. And let's talk a little bit about this park. The conservation area showcases a set of large red rock formations, a set of sandstone peaks and walls, which were formed by thrust faults, including Keystone Thrust. The walls are up 3,000 feet or 910 meters high, making them a popular hiking and rock climbing destination. The highest point is La Madre Mountain at 8,154 feet or 2,485 meters. The first humans were attracted to the Red Rock area due to its resources of water, plant, and animal life that could not be easily found in the surrounding desert. Hunters and gatherers such as the historical Southern Paiute and the much older Archaic or desert culture Native Americans have successfully occupied this area. As many as 6 different Native American cultures may have been present at Red Rock over the millennia. Numerous petroglyphs as well pottery fragments remain today throughout the area. In addition, several roasting pits used by the early Native Americans at Red Rock provide further evidence of human activity in the past. In the early 20th century, around the time of the first European Americans settled in nearby Las Vegas, the Excelsior Company operated a small sandstone quarry near the northern area of the scenic loop. It proved to be uneconomical and it was shut down. Evidence of the quarry's existence includes on some of the huge sandstone blocks that have been left behind. The Red Rocks have been a film location for such movies as Roy Rogers and His Horse Trigger in Bells of San Angelo, 1947. And it was a location for The Stalking Moon with Gregory Peck in 1968. Some 600 species of plants are known in the area. Common types in the valley floor include the Joshua tree, Mojave yucca, banana yucca, between others. Higher up at the Utah juniper and the Sonora scrub oak, agave is easy to spot at the red rock niches. Ponderosa pines may be found at the top of the valley where it connects to the Spring Mountains. Wild burros are a familiar sight, as are rabbits and ground squirrels. The desert bighorn sheep are occasionally seen at higher elevations. The conservation area is protected habitat for the desert tortoise. And of course, Red Rock provides a wide variety of activities, the most popular being hiking, biking, rock scrambling, and rock climbing. Horseback riding and camping are also allowed on specific trails and in designated areas. And just to let you know, I was there in September. The temperature was about 102 degrees Fahrenheit or 39 Celsius. And it was fine for me. It was a little bit of wind, but kind of cool breeze as well at the same time. So it was just about perfect. However, best time to go there, I would say October, November, December, January, February, and March. And then after parts of April, because May, June, July, August, and September itself, the first 2 weeks of September, it could be very hot. And of course, we are taking precautions like keeping safety distance because after all, we are filming this during the pandemic. So we gotta wear mask when it's necessary. You gotta keep distance from other people and so forth in order to enjoy the park. And I hope next time you come to Las Vegas, you don't skip this place. You must come. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. And especially when you come here and you can see for yourself how beautiful it is. I don't think the images take a good perspective of what's going on here. However, thank you very much for watching another of my little small trips, big small trips. And I hope you'll see you guys next trip, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You put your likes, I truly appreciate. I'm Daniel Nobre. See you next time.